If you want to learn how to use Discord for voice and text chat, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the basics step by step so you can join a server, send messages in text channels, and jump into voice chat without any confusion. Discord is one of the easiest ways to talk with friends, join communities, and stay connected while gaming, studying, or working on projects. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's start with opening Discord. You can use the Discord web app in your browser or the desktop app if you already have it installed. If you're using the web version, go to Discord web and sign in with your account. Once you log in, you'll land on the main Discord interface. Now look at the left side of the screen. This is where all of your servers are listed as icons. A server is basically a space where people gather around a topic, a friend group, a school club, or a gaming community. To join one, just click the server icon you want. After you open a server, you'll see the channel list in the middle left area of the screen. Now let's talk about text chat first, because that's usually the easiest way to get started. Text channels have a hash symbol, like hashtag general or hashtag chat. Click on any text channel you want to use. Once you're inside, scroll to the bottom of the chat area and click the message box. Type your message there, then press enter on your keyboard to send it. That's it. Your message will appear in the channel for everyone in that server to see. If you want to reply to someone, you can also click directly in the message box and start typing. Discord makes it simple to have ongoing conversations, share updates, ask questions, and post links or images depending on the server permissions. Just remember that different servers may have different rules, so always check what's allowed before you post. Now let's move on to voice chat. Voice channels are usually marked with a speaker icon, and they might have names like general voice or gaming voice. To join one, simply click the voice channel. You'll automatically connect without needing a separate call button. Once you're in, you'll usually see a voice connected message in the bottom left corner. From there, you can start talking right away if your microphone is working properly. If you want to mute yourself, click the mic icon in the bottom left area. This is helpful if you need to cough, take a break, or just listen without talking. Click it again to unmute when you're ready to speak. If you want to leave the voice chat completely, click the disconnect button, which looks like a phone icon. One of the best things about Discord is that you can often use text chat and voice chat at the same time. That means you can stay in a voice channel while also typing messages in text channels. This is really useful if you want to share links, send quick notes, or keep a conversation going while talking live. If you're using Discord in your browser, make sure your microphone permission is turned on. If Discord can't access your mic, your voice won't be heard in voice chat. You can usually fix this by checking your browser permissions or your system audio settings. Also, if your audio sounds off, double check that the correct microphone and headphones are selected. So just to recap, text channels with the hashtag symbol are for typing messages, voice channels with the speaker icon are for talking live, and the disconnect button lets you leave voice chat whenever you're done. Once you understand those basics, Discord becomes really easy to use. I hope this helped you learn how to use Discord for voice and text chat. If it did, please give this video a like and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.